With schools scheduled to reopen on Monday, January 4, the Ministry of Education says the protocol remains the same for students in grades 10 to 12 who are returning for face-to-face engagement. However, stringent measures would be put in place to ensure those residing in student dorms are kept safe. Minister of Education Honorable Priya Manikchan.
We expect the timetabling and everything to go as it was in this term. For dorm students, it's going to have to be a little bit different, again, because we have to, again, determine that nobody is coming back in the dorms with an infection or with a positive COVID result.
Minister of Health Honorable Dr. Frank Anthony explains how this will be done.
We have had a very detailed meeting with the Ministry of Education, and each RHO, Regional Health Officer, and the Regional Educational Officer have met, and they have come up with their plans for the regions. And we, on our side, from the health perspective, we have sent out enough test kits, and this includes both antigen kits and PCR kits, to the regions, so that for all students who are coming into the dorms, that we'll be able to test them.
Minister Anthony said mechanisms have been put in place for PCR tests to be returned to the laboratory quickly for analysis.
Many of these students who were once in dorms would have gone back home, and we know that in some communities there are transmission of COVID-19. So upon them returning on the 4th of January 2021, we would want to ensure again that we test them to make sure that they don't have any signs of COVID. And once they're negative, they would be placed in the general dormitories. If, however, there are any positive cases, then we would isolate them, of course.
As it remains, only students in grades 10, 11, and 12 will return to school for physical engagement. All other grades will continue to utilize the methods they were using during the previous term, whether through virtual classrooms, radio, television, or worksheets.
However, children learn in this last term, the Christmas term, would be what they reopen for in January. So if in the Christmas term, teachers were teaching on WhatsApp at grade 5 and grade 6 and grade 3, then on the 4th, we expect teachers to begin teaching on WhatsApp again, and parents to have their children ready for that. If teachers were teaching through Zoom at the grade 3 and grade 7 and grade 8 level, on the 4th, we expect the teachers to begin teaching again, and for parents and children to be receptive to that.
Minister Manikchan noted that while the government has taken initial steps to ensure the safety of students, teachers, and other staff, each individual has the responsibility of staying safe.